Hi and welcome. Time to take the screws out of the top of the guitar. We're then going to heat the binding on the heater over here, the side bender, and we're going to just kind of set it in place. I've already preset some tape here to get us started, and we're going to put the binding on today and get all ready for cutting of the armrest, and that's coming up right after we spin that intro. And here we go. I wonder if this is the first time you've ever seen a guitar top screwed together like this. I remember the first time I saw this, I thought, oh my goodness, can you believe it? Like who would do that? The idea of the screws, of course, because there are two pieces of wood there, the screw is just in enough to bring them in tight so that they sit tight to one another. And then, of course, once you flood them with the CA glue, they all stick. Now, I have taken this. Here, this is beyond. I've already cut it in this area down here. But this is too large, and it's going out over the binding. So I'm going to have to take a chisel to that. I'm cutting across, exaggerated. I'm going like this so that I can kind of just shave it off. Okay. This in here is what we just did, and we've done that on this end as well. So now we can prepare to add the binding. Boy, do I ever need some English breakfast tea right now. Today did not go quite as well as I had planned. First of all, it took me longer to do than I expected. We ran out of tape. I'm going to cut this short because of that. And I have got the one side all bound in there. In some of the areas where the rotor had jumped on me, it has left a bit of a gap. I'll have to fill that, and I'll show you how we do that because you'll never see it, and it'll fill up. But we have completed the armrest running around. As you can see here, we've got it all taped in place, just letting the crazy glue dry, and I'm just going to leave that for a while. So that's it for me today. Thanks for joining me. I'm really tired, and I will get to that in another day or so and get a good rest, and we'll be back. So if you're inclined, if you would be good enough to subscribe and maybe pass this video on to somebody, if you're tough enough to do that, by all means, take a look at the links down below. Send me some questions to the Q&A to Tea with Monty. We will answer those. Some of them have already started coming in. Thank you for that. And we'll be in touch very soon. Thank you. See you in the next video. Wow, what an interesting day it's been. Bye for now. See you later.